Welcome to Papa John's shop. Well, I got my picnic area solar roof project pretty well done, I guess. Wife decided it was done enough to move the furniture down. Been running for a few days now. Seems to be doing well. In fact, almost too good. Got a little fridge plugged in. Got some wiring done. Got a fan on light. Up there in the upper area, I got one of my 3000 watt extra AIO inverter charger combination thingies up there. 3000 watt or 24 volt. Got a couple of LFP batteries running it, and they are using 2 of the panels. The other 18 are hooked in a 3S configuration, and there's 6 sets of 3 on each side. It's facing east and west, and the plan was that in the morning, I was going to get sun from the one side, towards the evening get sun from the other side, and gain some electrons that way. Well, the first day when I had it up and the sun actually came out, it was somewhere around 12 o'clock or so. So the sun was hitting both sides. So I thought, I'm going to go ahead and see how she's doing. And I looked on the controller and nothing. Well, I looked on my other controllers because they all feed into the same bus bar, and they weren't making anything either. I thought, oh, what the heck's going on? So I got checking, and there's a 100 amp fuse that goes between those controllers and the bus bar, and it blew it. So I replaced it with 150, and everything seemed to be okay then. And the next day or so, it was cloudy. The batteries were down pretty good the next day, and come out, it was a nice clear day. And I went and checked with my clamp meter, and I was making 172 amps between the 3 of them. And that 150 amp fuse ain't gonna last long that way. So I had to shut some of the controllers off. So I almost got too good of a thing going here at noontime. So I think I'm gonna have to shut maybe one set of 3 off on each side, at least this time of year. Maybe when the sun gets lower in the sky, I won't have that problem, but it's actually working a lot better. Never expected it to work that well, especially with used panels that were only 15 bucks a piece. So we'll go ahead and see what the controller is doing. Okay, right now we're doing what? 99 volts, 19 amps. And this controller is doing 23 amps. We're using 2245 amps. I do have the car plugged in, so it uses what, 1.4 kilowatts of that. So just for the fun of it, let me shut a couple of these controllers off and let this one take over and see what she goes up to. 32, 33, 34, And it's about 1:15 time-wise, so. There's 43 amps. 44, slow again. Anyways, things working better than I had planned, so that usually is not the case, but and the wife's happy. She's got a nice picnic area now, and I'm happy. I'm getting more power. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.